Clicking on the video, you've already made the first step to getting a head start in class. So the purpose of this video is to help you learn how to use the Quizlet website. So some students are familiar with it and some students are not. So this video is meant for you to go at your own pace. So if you need to press pause, go ahead and do so. Okay. So on a typical class period, if we're using Quizlet, I will have a code for you on the PowerPoint. So I'm going to pull up a PowerPoint that I had earlier this year, and I'll put it in presentation mode. Maybe I won't. It's on the other screen. Anyway, you would see a code that looks like this. And one thing that's important to know is this last part that I've highlighted. That is like a specific code to the Quizlet that I want you to use. Okay, what is Quizlet, you might ask? Quizlet is a way for us to study vocab in class at our own pace, and Quizlet is a website that lets us do it. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my web browser, and again, I can get to this by just clicking on my Google Chrome icon at the bottom. All right, and then I go, you can see I already have it up, but I'm going to close it out. I can take that code, right, copy it word for word, right? Likely this will be in our Google Classroom, right? Right click, or I can press Control C, and that will copy the link. And then I can press Control V, and it'll take me to Quizlet. So that's one way to do it if you already have the link like in Google Classroom or an electronic form. So that's the way that we'll learn today. So you can see that it takes you right to this screen where we have early hominins, what capabilities helped hominins survive? So that's the same essential question that I have on the back corner of the room. So if you can, just go ahead and stop the video and take a look at that essential question and where it lines up. So it's in the back part of the room by the horseshoe table. Okay, so we're back, and you're going to notice on Quizlet that there's a lot of different ways to learn. So we have the icon that says learn, flashcards, write, spell. You can take a test, you can match, you can use gravity, or you can do some live work with other students. This one we're probably not going to use. But let's start with flashcards, right? So I've already uploaded these words for you, and this is just allowing you to study at your own pace. So a scientist who studies human development is an anthropologist, and you can click to flip, right? If you go back, you can see that there's some other ways to do this with like matching, right? You can match different vocab words. You can start a game. I can match to a picture and a lot of other different things. So the idea is you can use whatever of these works best for you. So again, more times than not, that link is going to be on a PowerPoint slide, just like this. And you'll have to copy the link word for word. One thing that I'll do for you a lot of the time is just have my PowerPoint on Google Chrome for you so that you can follow along. I meant to say Google Classroom, so that you can follow along. So know that that's coming. That's the purpose of this video. So one thing I want us to realize is that these videos can help us learn some things at our own pace. So this is a more of a process video to teach you how to do something, but we'll also learn different academic things as well. So go ahead and turn off the video. And at this point, if you're ready, you should go to the Quizlet that I have on the board or go to the next station, whatever it is that I'm having you do at the moment. Thank you. Talk to you later.